if matrix A is given, B is given, C is given, we have to calculate AC, BC and A plus B into C, and also verify that A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. First let's find out left hand side. Okay, A plus B into C. Okay, A plus B. A plus B is 0, 6, 7, minus 6, 0, 8, 7, minus 8, 0, plus B matrix is 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0. To add two matrices, first we can add corresponding elements. That is, here 0 plus 0, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, minus 6 plus 1, 0 plus 0, 8 plus 2, 7 plus 1, minus 8 plus 2, 0 plus 0. And then 0, 7, 8, minus 5, 0, 10, 8, minus 6, 0. Then let's find out A plus B into C. That is 0, 7, 8, minus 5, 0, 10, 8, minus 6, 0 into C matrix. 2, minus 2, 3, right? To multiply two matrices, first we have to find the order of the matrices. Okay, this is 3 by 3. This is 3 by 1. Okay, to multiply two matrices, whether the number of rows in first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix. Okay, here these two are equal, so A plus B into C is defined. Right? Then A plus B into C is 7, 8, minus 5, 0, 10, 8, minus 6, 0. Okay, into C is 2, minus 2, 3. 3 by 3, 3 by 1. Resultant matrix is 3 rows, 1 column. Okay, then how to multiply two matrices? Sum of the product of some rows with the column. Okay, then here first row with the first column. Sum of the product of first row with the first column. 0 into 2 plus 7 into minus 2 plus 8 into 3. Okay, then sum of the product of second row with the first column. Minus 5 into 2 plus 0 into minus 2 plus 10 into 3. Like that, third sum of the product of third row with the first column. 8 into 2 plus minus 6 into minus 2 plus 0 into 3, right? That is 0 times 2 is 0 plus 7 times minus 2 is minus 14 plus 8 times 3 is 24. Then minus 10 plus 0 plus 30. Next one is 16. 8 times 2 is 16 plus 6 times minus 2 is 12 plus 0. That is minus 14 plus 24. 30 minus 10. 16 plus 12. That is 10, 20, 16 plus 12 is 28. Then let's find out right hand side, okay. Right hand side is AC plus BC, okay. First let's find out AC. AC is 0, 6, 7. Minus x 0, 8. 7 minus 8 0 into C matrix is 2 minus 2 3. First find the order of the matrix 3 by 3. This is 3 rows, 1 column. Here number of columns and the number of rows are equal. So AC is defined. That is equal to multiply 2 matrix, sum of the product of first row with the first column, okay. That is 0 into 2 plus 6 into minus 2 plus 7 into 3. Then second row with the sum of the product of second row with the first column, okay. Minus 6 into 2 plus 0 into minus 2 plus 8 into 3. Then sum of the product of third row with the first column. 7 into 2 plus minus 8 into minus 2 plus 0 into 3. That is 0 minus 6 times 2 is minus 12 plus 21. Next minus 12 plus 0 times minus 2 is 0 plus 8 times 3 is 24. 25, it must be 24. Then 7 times 2 is 14 plus 16 plus 0. 0 minus 12 is 9. 24 minus 12 is 12. 16 plus 14 is 30. Next let's find out BC. Zero, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0 into C matrices 2, minus 2, 3. Okay. Find the order of the matrix 3 by 3. Here 3 by 1. So here number of columns and the number of rows are equal. So BC is defined, right? BC is sum of the product of first row with the first column and second row with the first column, third row with the first column, okay. 0 into 2 plus 1 into minus 2 plus 1 into 3, okay. Next 1 into 2 plus 0 times minus 2 plus 2 times 3. Next 1 times 2 plus 2 times minus 2 plus 0 times 3. That is 0 minus 2 plus 3. 2 plus 0 plus 6. 2 minus 4 plus 0. That is 3 minus 2, 1. 6 plus 2, 8. 2 minus 4 minus 2. Next let's find out AC plus BC. What is AC? 9, 12, 30 plus BC is 1, 8 minus 2. That is 9 plus 1, 12 plus 8, 30 minus 2. 10, 20, 28. This is RHS. So A plus B into C is 10, 20, 28. Then AC plus BC also 10, 20, 28. So A plus B into C equal to AC plus BC.